This weekend at the Miami International Auto Show, the Jeep brand is introducing two new limited edition production vehicles targeted specifically to Miami consumers. Meet the new Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator 305 edition models. Based on Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator Sport S models and featured in Miami colors of either orange or white, only 305 total 305 units will be produced. 255 of them will be Wranglers and 50 will be Gladiators. Wrangler 305 editions come standard with the Jeep Sky one-touch powertop, which is the first time that top has been offered on the Sport S trim. Also standard is the 2-liter direct injected turbocharged 4-cylinder backed by the 8-speed automatic transmission. The Turbo 4 puts out 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Also standard is the Sport LED headlight group, 7-inch Uconnect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all-weather floor mats, a black fuel filler door, Jeep Performance Parts grille and grille surround, and a unique decal package. Gladiator 305 editions come with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 as standard, which puts out 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. As with the Wrangler 305 edition, all-weather floor mats, a 7-inch Uconnect system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the Jeep Performance Parts grille and surround, and unique decal package are all standard. The Gladiator 305 edition also gets body-colored fender flares and all-terrain tires as standard. Both vehicles on display are also heavily outfitted with Jeep Performance Parts from Mopar, which can be purchased and installed at your local dealer. The parts displayed on these vehicles are the grille and winch guard, tube doors, steel front bumper, winch and mount, Fairlead mount kit, 2-inch lift kit, 5-inch off-road LED light kit, 7-inch off-road LED light kit, lower A-pillar light mounting brackets, winch guard light mounting, 17-inch Jeep Performance Parts aluminum wheels, Jeep Performance Parts rock rails, door sill guards, and cat skin leather seats. The Miami International Auto Show runs from November 1st to 10th at the Miami Beach Convention Center. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.